Hey guys, today I want to talk about how to grow on YouTube. Growing your YouTube channel takes time and effort, but it is totally worth it. Here are some tips on how to grow your YouTube channel and reach a larger audience. 1. Create engaging content. The first step to growing your YouTube channel is to create engaging content. Your content should be unique, informative, and entertaining. Make sure to provide value to your viewers and engage with them on a regular basis. 2. Optimize your videos. Optimizing your videos for search engines is crucial to growing your channel. This means using keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help search engines to find your videos more easily. 3. Participate in communities. Participating in communities related to your niche can help grow your YouTube channel. Join online communities and share your content there. This will help you to get more exposure and build relationships with your audience. 4. Leverage video advertising. Video advertising is a great way to reach a wider audience. It allows you to target specific demographics and interests. You can also use video advertising to generate more engagement with your viewers. 5. Monetize your channel. Once your channel reaches a certain level of popularity, you can monetize it by selling advertising space on your videos. This will help you to generate more income and grow your channel even faster. In conclusion, growing your YouTube channel takes time and effort, but it's definitely worth it. Create engaging content. Optimize your videos for search engines. Participate in communities, leverage video advertising, and monetize your channel. With these tips, you can grow your YouTube channel and reach a larger audience. Thanks for watching.